Welcome to Nick and Bethan's Paper 3 Option 2 Eating Behaviour Student Workbook and YouTube playlist channel. Okay, this session is just a little introduction to our student workbook. Starting off on page 1 and page 2, table of contents, and as with our other student workbooks, starts off with 10 good reasons to study psychology and specification at a glance. We then look specifically at the eating behaviour criteria, and with all of our workbooks we have this green, amber and red traffic light system whereby you need to be able to tick with confidence the green option. So, week 1, explanations of food preferences, evolutionary explanations. Week 2, neural and hormonal mechanisms. Week 3, biological explanations for anorexia. Week 4, psychological explanations for anorexia. Week 5, biological explanations for obesity. And week 6, psychological explanations for obesity. Okay, for the remainder of the 2.5 minutes, it'll just flip through various pages. So as you can see, very nice, clear layout with lots of student questions, or lots of practice questions, which we've taken from mark schemes across the actual specifications. So really preparing you for the exams. We've been working with students since 2004, helping students and teachers achieve outstanding results. All of our student workbooks are supported with our live psych exam help and lesson by lesson. Okay, that's it for now.